Hello there, I am here to discuss the double entry bookkeeping method, widely used in the field of accounting and finance.
This tutorial is part of our comprehensive online course, called Financial Accounting Masterclass. You can check out the detailed course syllabus and preview the free trial. Double entry bookkeeping. Double entry bookkeeping is based on the idea that each transaction has an equal but opposite effect. Every accounting event must be entered in ledger accounts both as a debit and as an equal but opposite credit.
Ledger accounts, with their debit and credit sides, are kept in a way which allows the two-sided nature of every transaction to be recorded. Thus, every transaction is recoded twice in the accounts.
The total value of debit entries in the nominal ledger is therefore always equal at any one time to the total value of credit entries.
For more videos, tutorials and accounting courses, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the link below to register and join our Financial Accounting Masterclass. Contact our administrator via WhatsApp on the number showing on your screen right now. We are here to take your career to another level. God bless you.